Right on a train, the Bright Line.
I've never been on the train before.
I know.
If you have not been to the North Pole train.
Oh, that one. But that doesn't basically count as...
We've been on a train in Europe before. In Germany.
Morning, bright against as you board. Please raise the rim height.
Mom, why are we going up there?
Disney, please welcome the Vienna family.
Thank you very much. It's so wonderful to see you today. What's your
Say hi, Soleil.
Are you ready for an adventure in the Great White Summer?
Yes.
So much fun.
Say we can't wait. Say bye, Belle.
Goodbye, princess. See you again soon for another adventure.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Goodbye.
I think it's... Oh, and we won.
We made it to our rooms. We have Hercules on one side, and the connecting door is down here, which is different. And Mulan. Ooh, I love Mulan.
Soleil, what are you doing?
Dad, can I say Savannah Brown?
Crystal family!
Oh, they're over there.
Soon we will be setting sail, but until then, let's kick off the party with some dancing.
Where's that?
Let's go.
Disney Cruise Line family.
Look at all the
And
people.
here to get the party started, it's my friend Emma. Wait, who are you meeting down there, Emma? Hey, Caitlin,
Electro, my old friend, Spider-Man. Stealing power from a vacation cruiser? This is a new low even for you, Electro. Be right back, everyone. Where do you think you're going?
what's going on? Spider-Man's inside the big tunnel, and they're fighting. What can you see? Out! Yes, yes. Spider-Man just pushed him into the water. Is everyone okay? What's happening?
I sent Electro for a swim. Now that that's settled, time to party. Woo!
Thanks, Spider-Man. Wow, that was incredible. There are stories of heroes and villains everywhere on the Disney Destiny. And here are your storytellers.
Friends and Destiny Seekers, my name is Zyra.
And I'm Gamble, here to share the stories of destiny.
Tales to enlighten and amuse. The ocean is a place that exists in between stories.
The perfect place to reflect on who you are.
And who you are meant to be. A place to seek your story.
Or define your destiny.
Stories are all around us. Fairy tales, myths, legends.
Opposing forces rising to find their purpose.
Wicked villains facing fate.
And courageous heroes forging their path.
The question is, what is your story?
Allow
Let's
Okay, we got some apple cheesecake, caramel apple cheesecake, and spiced churros. And the sundae. How's the sundae?
Good.
Because we're at 1923. The steakhouse was good.
I got a makeover, but I kind of found
Uh-oh, yeah. Your Castaway key. Look at the Bohemian Christmas trees. Here we are at Castaway Key, one of the most beautiful beaches I've ever been at. I guess I don't have been at a lot, but this is beautiful. Beautiful water, the sand is amazing, it feels good under your feet. Woo. Woo. It's a little chilly. You okay? All right, here we go. Soleil is swimming. She's a good swimmer. These waves are gonna make it hard. So here we go. I'm gonna jump in. 3, 2, 1. How was it? Oh, I probably dove right in it too. All right, jump over a wave. Woo.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
You want to rinse out your eye cap? I have water.
Someone's coming. Savannah.
Soleil snacks.
Okay.
Soleil snacks, okay?
All right. Thank you. Whoa.
Yay, Soleil!
Hey, Soleil, did you do it? Yay! You're such a big girl.
Gabe or yeah, Gabe. Shepard wants to go last.
I can tell by the way he got into the thing though, but that's me. Woo! Go Gabe!
Way to go, Gabe! You did it!
What a big boy!
You did it, buddy!
Good job!
You did it, buddy!
Awesome job, sweetie!
All right, here we go. Marvel. Wow.
Everybody, yeah? See the water is there? Inside the cup, right? Let's put more water. Okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna change. Okay, who wanna wear? Who wanna become a wear? Okay, who wanna take shower? Who? You?
Yeah, Shepard does.
Okay. Okay, everybody. 1, 2.
Shepard?
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Wash, okay?
No water.
Okay. Who's that? You? Now your time. Okay. Okay. Everybody, 1,
No. Oh.
2.
She's waiting.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
No water.
Where you want me to throw water?
Mommy.
Okay. Mommy? Okay, mommy, okay, mommy.
Mommy.
Okay, 1.
This is it. That has to be it.
3.
Oh.
Water.
Uh-oh. Which one had the water?
All are empty, see? All are empty. Where is the water?
Thank goodness. Oh, thank you so much.
Where was it?
All right, here we are the next day at one of our favorite places, Castaway Key. We're about to get off, go get some lunch, hit up the beach, and just have a good day. Getting off the ship. What? Yeah, they have the decorations up. You can see the tree.
I can't wait for it.
There's the ship. There's the Christmas tree. Decked in sand stuff. Beachy. All right. Oh, Saxon just jumped into the water, and Shepard might be next. Ooh, and I'm trying to wade in. It's very cold. It's beautiful though. Woo. 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 Okay. We're gonna dive in like we do. We're gonna do our thing. Let's go. 1, 2. Yeah.
Huge for oil and gas. Yeah, just a little bit north.
I'm getting a little spa day on my legs. Oh look, I think Shepard's about to do rope course. Nope, he's going away. Nope, he's going away.
Yeah, we look at Disney World, yeah.
Are you okay, buddy? Woo! Was that woo. Oh goodness! Oh goodness! Oh goodness!
I said I got a happy.
Okay, good job, Saxon! Way to go! All right, got the crew here. This is the Fab Five. That's what they call the Fab Five in our groups, at least.
He did it.
Taking Soleil to ride this yellow water slide. Watch out! Watch out! Come on. All right, here we are. Festival of the Pride Lands. Okay, I'll hold it. Wow.
Yes, please. Table number, sir.
407.
407. Chop.
Yes.
407.
Follow me.
Please, sir.
Okay.
How are you today?
Okay, very good.
I think I saw you this morning at Masone Market.
Oh yeah, okay. going to the Haunted Mansion bar, hopefully. That is cool.
So this one is the alcohol one.
Okay.
So that's the whiskey. We serve it with a sour soda. So it's kind of a whiskey sour.
Okay.
And this is for 0 proof. That goes with the screaming soda.
Oh, cream soda.
And then there was a soda you can drink it.
Awesome, cool. Thank you so much. See what's there. Oh, yes, sir. Thank you so much. Yeah, what is screaming soda? Try it, screaming soda. And then this is sour shivers. It's a sour soda. Look at it, like it's chunky.
Cheers.
Wait, hold on, let me film
Cheers.
you. Let me film you. Ready?
Haunted Mansion bar. This is what we got. All right, next stop is the Rose Bar. Fancy bar. We're underdressed, but hey, we're bringing our popcorn. Let's go.
Everybody's dressed as pirates, so it's fine. We can have popcorn. We're like, yeah, we're fine. We're among friends.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Daddy giving.
And Savannah, and they've been working on their Christmas lists.
Yay.
Ready? Go.
Soleil, I love your hair. So pretty.
And your beautiful nails. It's very shiny, and I like to imagine that this is piece of the skies and the star on my nails, okay? Wow!
I like those.
She really is.
Keep it close, but please, princess, don't fall asleep, okay?
No, right? Because remember what happened with Princess Tiana when she kissed a frog? She became a frog, right? So remember Princess Indeed.
They're beautiful from inside, they're beautiful from outside, you're a very kind person, and you're very brave. So you don't need to wish that. Okay, Princess Soleil? So now I need you to prepare some. Yes? Bibbity Bobbity Boo. A princess I make you. Make all your dreams and wishes come true. Bibbity Bobbity Boop. Are you ready? Did you make a wish? Yes. It was a huge. Look how much pizza was in your shirt. That's amazing. Now, let me taste my beautiful smile. Bobbity Boop. Did you see your messy ball? Wow. Amazing. Look your makeup. Wow, you did amazing, Princess Soleil. Now, Princess Soleil, because you're a prince to you, Princess Soleil.
Don't shut it down, please. Separate shot.
Pretty. Would you like to take a picture on the castle, Princess?
Wow.
Look at Mama.
She is beautiful.
Soleil, look at Mommy.
Princess in front of her castle. Okay, we're checking out the Madame Leota. Hey, thank you, Saxon. Don't, Saxon.
Some of our more spirited ghosts. That's the
Haunted cruise.
of a ghastly good time. Now cast an enchantment on your bag so that you may detect and collect our dearly departed.
With bated breath and an air of suspense, reveal within you a hidden secret.
Now, when you hear a haunted object, your band
Closed caption.
feels a disquieting thrill. Collect each ghost by moving your bag in a circular motion.
In the reflection, a ghost can be found.
Okay. A mirror, okay.
How's your turkey? Is it good? Yeah.